Hi, today I am showing some WordPress first theme. If you are looking for the best theme for website, then you have this video for you. Where I have shared the top some best WordPress first theme. If you want to build a blog site, e-commerce website, folio site, there or any site on WordPress, the best option for you will be GeneratePress theme. This main reason for keeping this theme first and giving so much importance. The theme is very lightweight and simple, which plays an important role in your site fast loading and SEO. If you want to use premium version of this theme, then you have to pay 1 year $59, all premium features, full access to the site library, 1 year update, 1 year premier support, use on up to 500 website, and 30-day money back guarantee. And you also buy a lifetime, the one time payment, all premium features, full access to the site library, lifetime updates, and a lifetime premium support, use on 500 website, 30-day money back guarantees. Less than 10 KB, rich face size on this theme is less than 10 KB, which will be help on site load faster. Its theme is SEO friendly. You will get very good site SEO result due to very small page size and fast loading, and this should true. Source security. Security is one of the things that the developers of this theme have given more importance to its coding and equation source and stable. Customize the most advantage you will get this theme is customization. You can edit every part of the theme from top and footer as you want without any coding and editing knowledge. GeneratePress site library. Okay, all templates, health driver, crypto, consolation, stream, camera, camp, movement, portfolio, from e-commerce, idea, thought, shops, doctors. That's a pretty good theme for you. You will use free on premium. Download and install free and explore more than add-ons on premium. Thank you.